Meet the very successful and inspiring Bacolena, Belina Calderon Nernberg, CEO of One Heart Caregiver Services. Graduated high school in 1984 from St. Scholastica's Academy and college in 1988 from the University of St. LaSalle, Belina started a booming caregiving franchise business in the United States. As an immigrant, Belina created One Heart to follow her American dream and help provide serenity of mind and support to families and their aging loved ones, as well as a chance for many to also achieve their dreams to build their own businesses, be an entrepreneur, and be their own bosses.
Caregiver Services is actually an agency that provides non-medical in-home care to seniors or families who usually, the parents of these families who need help with their activities of daily living. When you talk about activities of daily living, it's basically, bathing, toileting, walking, or ambulation. Meal preparation is what we do, a lot of companionship, doing errands for the elderly, and I'm not sure if I mentioned, but light housekeeping as well. So, nami gini siya nga negosyo actually for Filipinos, kabalo ka naman sa aton nga mga Pinoy, very inherent na sa aton niya to take care of our loved ones, especially the older generation, yung mga lolo, lola, and all that. So, it's really a good business for Filipinos here, especially here in America. The biggest challenge that we have in this business is actually the shortage of the caregivers here in the United States. I mean, there's a lot of caregivers here, and most of them are actually different nationalities man, but in my market, it's mostly Filipinos. Ang challenge is the fact that because it's a 24/7 job, meaning, there's different shifts. There's 3 different shifts that people can actually do the job. And sometimes we have caregivers who commit to a certain schedule, like for example 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tapos another agency will call them and offer like 50 cents more, or offer them a different shift which is more doable for them. Then they would just cancel and get that. So muna siyang challenge in this kind of business. But with us at One Heart Caregiver Services, we're able to tackle that problem because we have a system in place to ensure na ang caregivers will stay with us and will commit to the work that they have agreed to go to. As far as the franchise is concerned, for our franchisees, the challenge I would say is really finding the right person to award a franchise location to. So we are very protective of our brand. We've created a really, really good and strong brand here in the United States. So we are very choosy when we pick the right candidate that we will award the franchise to. So they have to meet certain criteria, which you can find it in our website as far as what it is that we're looking for when it comes to a franchisee candidate for the One Heart brand. The success of this business actually hinged a lot on finding the right people, the right team with the right attitude, working for the same goal, having the right malasakit actually is one thing that I think really worked for this company. We are looking for people, or we have people who have that passion and compassion to help seniors, as well as may malasakit sila sa kumpanya, may malasakit sila sa ginabantayan nila, mga caregivers, may malasakit sa mga elderly people that we take care of, and of course malasakit towards their co-workers. So here at One Heart, we treat everybody like family. A culture that we have here in our company is that of being like a family. So that has helped us in having successful operations where everybody is aligned towards one common goal. We do adhere to the core values of the corporation of One Heart Caregiver Services, which is number 1, of course, is professionalism. Number 2 is reliability. And the third one, very important, is the heart, and again, that is the malasakit.
Belina Calderon Nernberg owns and operates a group of successful companies: One Heart Caregiver Services, LA Jobs Employment Agency Incorporated, and Summit Medical Billing Solutions. As founder-CEO of One Heart Caregiver Services, one of the fastest-growing in-home care service companies in California, Belina has been responsible for the company's increased productivity and consistent profitability. Belina provided a vision, leadership, direction that the company needed to achieve its short-term and long-term goals. As her greatest accomplishment, the company is now equipped with expertise to expand its business operations to different states in the U.S. Belina brings with her a corporate experience of 23 years, with 20 solid years of experience as CEO of an employment agency and a senior care service company in Southern California. Belina's principle-centered leadership and strength in her ability to combine corporate talents paved the way for the company to achieve greater heights. Belina has a degree of economics from the University of St. LaSalle. In 2013, she was honored with the Los Angeles Image Awards, an award given to emerging leaders in business, community service, arts, and entertainment. In 2014, she was also awarded the title of Ambassador of Goodwill by the Hi-Fi Historic Filipino Town Neighborhood Council. This title is bestowed to carefully selected Filipino Americans who are persons of integrity, who have the ability to promote, reach out, influence, and mobilize public interest and support of the ideals, values, principles, and programs of the historic Filipino town. In December 2015, she was also recipient of the TOPLA, the Outstanding Filipinos in Los Angeles Award for Leadership Excellence in Human Resources. Belina's vision remains solid and strategic as the company moves forward in its goal of making a positive difference in the home care industry.
So if you are the kind of person who wants to be your own boss, very entrepreneur-minded, and have the financial capability to start your own business, this is a great business opportunity that you might want to look into here in the United States. A lot of people actually think that the only way that they can immigrate to the United States or set foot in the United States if they can't get a tourist visa is to, look for work or come here. If they already have a tourist visa, they come in here and then they start thinking, okay, maybe I should just, immigrate to the United States through employment. Well, actually, there's a different way to do that. You can actually invest in a business and be a business owner. So if you want to look into that, you can always give us a call, or you can go into our website. It's www.one, which is the number one, oneheartfranchise.com. You can go and check on the E2 Visa tab, which is the Investors Visa tab, and you can learn more about investing in the U.S. through going into a business opportunity like this franchise, which is One Heart Caregiver Services franchise. Thank you so much for the opportunity to tell you more about our business. I am really proud to be, very successful in this business, and of course, coming from the beautiful city of Bacolod. Thank you so much.